Alright fam, if you're new here, I know you already know what's up. You want to know more about affiliate mentor Greg Chambers, right? You're looking for a real way to make money online and maybe, just maybe, you're trying to ditch that 9 to 5 in 2025. Well, you're in the right place. I'm Blake breaking it all down. What affiliate mentor is, how much you can actually make, and listen up, how our team's exclusive bonuses can blow up your traffic leads and signups like crazy. Plus I got something special at the end that you do not want to miss, so stick around. Now, as you can see, I've cycled, so that means I've finished my 6, and I'm helping other members get their 2 people. I'll show you later how Cheryl's got 2 people, and Bobby's got 2 people, okay? I'm going to break down Spark, Core, VIP, Core Annual, how much they cost and how much you can make, how our team beats everyone else with exclusive YouTube training, and how you can text me to get started or click the link in the description. So let's get into it. Now, before we jump in, let me introduce myself real quick. My name's John Solly, aka JJ Solly, aka Yo Friendly Neighborhood Solly Man, and I've been in the make money online space for over 12 years now. I've tested everything, tried a bunch of programs, grinded harder than I probably should have, and guess what? Now I finally found the mentor I'm looking for just recently. And in the last month and a half, I have progressed and learned more than I have in 11, 12 years combined. No, my 12, 13 years combined. Multiply that by 10, and that's how much I've learned in the first month and a half with this guy. Okay, now let me get real with you. 6 months ago, my wife was hit by a car. Yeah, no exaggeration. That moment flipped everything upside down and hit me hard. You start thinking, man, is this what life's supposed to be? Am I really in control? What if everything changes tomorrow? So as you can see, she's had several injuries in her neck, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with a blood clot in her brain. Okay, and you can see from the GoFundMe, she's only gotten about $445. Now she's also earned some money because they're raising money at our job, but nothing's promised. Like a GoFundMe, I've seen GoFundMe for a vape for her son. This guy they were asking for just a vape. This guy had earned like $20,000 in a month for a vape that he could buy himself. Meanwhile, $445. Again, nothing's promised. That's why I'm passionate about this, because making money online isn't just about stacking cash. It's about freedom, the ability to walk away from stress, have options, and live on your own terms. So if you've been feeling stuck, I hear you. And trust me, what I'm about to share could change everything for you if you take it seriously. We have residual bills, rent, car note, electricity, cell phone bill, gas, etc., etc. You may have daycare. So we have residual bills. We need residual income very badly, right? And who really wants to be working till they're 65, 70, 75 with retirement? And we're trying to retire on what isn't enough now. If what isn't enough now, imagine how trying to make it work when you only get 40% of what isn't working now. Okay? So, all right, let's get into Affiliate Mentor and talk about who Greg Chambers is, what it's all about, and why this is the program everybody's talking about. So as you can see, I finished my 6, and right here it says, you've just cycled. You've unlocked a new Spark training module and another matrix position which will be processed shortly. See, this is unlimited income from a one-time $25 investment. And this is AI training and AI automation. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. This is an account notification sent you from Affiliate Mentor. You have just cycled, okay? And this is what it looks like. I got my 6 people, and I unlocked a brand new board where I can earn another $50. But see, I helped Cheryl and I helped Bobby, and remember I tell you how I've been helping them? Look at this. So, oh, well, that didn't work, so let's try it again. Give me a second. Let's click on Cheryl. She's got Steve and Don, okay? Those were the 2 people right here. And Let's go back a little bit. Give me a second. Oh, yeah, this is definitely live. It's not working perfectly. Okay, core. It definitely isn't working perfectly. Okay, so core. Oh, Spark. Okay, so you can see how Cheryl Hannah got, those are the two people, Steve and Don, and Bobby should be Kaya and Vincenzo, right? There it is. See, I'm helping my team get spillover, and there's about 6 different ways to fill this $25 Spark matrix. The next level is core. Spark level is 25 one time, pays 25 per sign up, and 25 when your team cycles. You get 50% check match on Spark. Okay. Core level, $50 a month, pays 20 per referral. Now, again, you have residual bills, right? You need residual income. So for every $50 you pay, you get $20 a month residually. So if you have 10 people after your first month, you're making $200. Sorry, I don't know how that is. 10 people times 20. That's still $200. Okay, but the math is wrong. Okay, 200. Let's mark off. Try it again. 10 times 20. $200. Okay, so but let's say you don't want to pay $50 a month, right? So you want to upgrade to the core annual, and you think, okay, that's a little bit savings. 50 times 12 is $600, and you can get in for $399, but you're not getting 12 months. You're getting 24 months. So, and you're paying $399 for the core annual and $50 for the first month of core. However many months you didn't, you'll save $751. Okay, that is some serious savings. Let me make sure that's right. 1,200 minus $399 minus 50. Yep, 751. Now that's some serious savings, right? Okay, and you make $200 every time. Sorry, 500. Yeah, what's we on? Yeah, $200 for core annual. $200 every time somebody gets a core membership, and you get $20. Now this is an interesting number. That's why I'm highlighting it. When somebody starts with core, so that's $220. Now watch this. I bought traffic for my team to help my team duplicate faster. That's $220. That's the exact same amount right here, right? So I'll take that traffic and buy more traffic for my team, especially for the rotator. If you go all in, you're going to get leads, traffic, and sales at every single level. And we'll build your own rotator too, okay? And then there's VIP level. Oop. Let's try it again. VIP club. And this looks just like the first one, except multiply it by 10. Instead of getting 6 spots, get $50, you get 6 spots and get $500. And when your person cycles, instead of make the core Spark, you get $250. You get 50% check match. So when all mine filled, I get 500. When one person in my team gets their 6, I get $250. Sounds good, right? But what makes this different? It's not just about signing up and crossing your fingers. It's not the reason our team crushes it is because we have a system that actually works, meaning you can duplicate success and scale fast. Think about it. Are you just looking for some side money? Are you really trying to build something sustainable? Because this right here, it's the key to long-term growth. Now this is where things get spicy, okay? This is the training we have, and I'm going to show you that it actually works and what members of our team are ranking for these terms. Every single time I'm doing 2 different teams. So this is affiliate mentor comp plan. I'm going to show you I'm not logged in, okay? What happened there? Okay, right there. Affiliate mentor we'll just click on that. Okay. And you can see I'm not logged in. Sign in. Okay. I'm only going to bring the team members that is our team. If you see a sponsored video, it does not count because it's a ad. So Postcard Lifestyle, our team. Make money online with JJ, that's me. The Michael Dela Cruz, our team. Postcard Lifestyle, our team. Postcard Lifestyle, again, our team. There's me again. There's another Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Brian, another one of our team. Fanchone, another one of our team. Ranking in the shorts, okay? Affiliate Mentor Team Bonuses, that's me. Affiliate Mentor Compensation Plan, Affiliate Mentor Team Bonuses. See, some of these aren't even team bonuses, have nothing to do with comp plan, but it's still ranking. Okay? And Affiliate Mentor 2025 Review and Affiliate Mentor Core Review. Okay? Another one by JJ. Another one by Postcard Lifestyle. So this is where things get spicy, the bonuses, because I'm not just going to throw you into this thing and say good luck. Nah, we've got something exclusive for our team. We will teach you how to get real YouTube rankings. Team members consistently dominating search results. And we're not just going to teach you this, we're going to teach your team how to do this as well. These bonuses are for any level of Spark you join at, okay? Any level of affiliate mentor. Okay, whether it's Spark, Core, VIP, Club, or Core Annual. Okay, and this is what the training looks like, right? The first thing to do is I plug you, send you an email, and get you plugged in so you can schedule a coaching call with our team leader. And this is exactly how to do this video, right? Tells you exactly what to do, what steps. Okay, this is not to upsell you. These cards are designed to be DFY sponsor style to help your team get their team business set up, even if you're not available as a sponsor. We will help your team because we know our affiliates are busy and making it working 9 to 5 while running ads. Please prepare any questions you may have before our meeting. Simple, right? And here's the thing. This training is 100% free at any level you start with. Whether you go Spark, Core, VIP, or Annual, you get the same blueprint that our top earners are using. That's a game changer. This is the same system and training that had me cycle and help me get two members each, okay? Now let me make this clear, okay? This is what our bonuses look like. Well, let me go 1 second, I'll be right back. Bonus 1, if you go all in, is a team traffic rotator, 9,997. Now we'll put you on our team. I'll give you leads, traffic, and signups, and help you build your list. But this page is flooded with solo ads, so we have a ton of traffic for you. Remember, the sooner you get started, the less links in the rotator, which means more sales for you. Okay? Team Sally's training site. When you get started on Team Sally, you get access to the Freedom Warriors Academy, which is training designed by team leader JT to help you generate free traffic and leads for your business. This is the only training you need to build an online business, and we're going to give you as a free gift so you know exactly how to build your online business fast. So we're not only going to help you, we're going to help your team. Okay, we're not only going to train you, we're going to train your team on whatever business you want to build. Okay, then you have access to John Sally. You will follow the Team Sally training site, and if you need help, you can always call for direct help. The amazing part of this is that our team leaders will coach you and your team and your team's team. Okay, you simply need to follow the step-by-step instructions, and our team leader will coach your downline to duplicate. Let me make this clear. Our team isn't just another affiliate program. We're the best at what we do. Best team, best bonuses, best training, okay? If you follow the system, you're going to get results. Simple as that. You're going to rank on YouTube. Now text me at 775-460-7938 right now. Click the first link in the description if you want to get started right away. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what part of this video hit home for you. You already know Affiliate Mentor is the real deal, and Greg Chambers is the owner. The only thing left is for you to take action. This is my Affiliate Mentor Greg Chambers video. Is this your ticket to freedom? Well, only if you make it happen. If you've been struggling to build a team, trying to make money online, or looking to quit that 9 to 5 in 2020, this is your moment. Don't miss out. Text me now or hit that first link and let's get you moving. This is JJ Sally, aka John Sally, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay. Get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.